what you get.
Hey, what's up guys? So I'm coming to you now with another video, and this is going to be a wig video. I got this wig from my local beauty supply store, the shop called Beauty Master. It's a new beauty supply store in our town, and that's just how it is looking. And this is a synthetic wig, of course. So right now, of course, I'm putting on my stocking cap. I am not doing the ball cap method because I don't want to go through all that trouble. So right now I'm using like some lace tint spray, and I showed you guys the spray to spray my thing just to make the wig more natural. And now I am showing you the wig specs, and I'm gonna have everything linked below if I could find a link to it. And this is just how the wig is looking. As you can see, the lace actually isn't too bad. The color, of course, it's not gonna look the most natural, but let's put this baby on. So now I'm just trying out the wig. I like to put it on first just to see, what we're working with. And I loved how this wig looked on the mannequin. So that's what really made me buy it. And I also love the curls. I'm finna show you the curls now. Look at that. Oh, the curls were bombs. So yeah. So now I'm just finna the wig on, and I'm just going to see how it looks in the side part as well, and just see which part I am liking. Throughout the duration of the video, I'm going to do both parts. So make sure you stay to the end to see how it looks for a side part and a middle part. So right now I'm spraying that lace tint, that same lace tint. I'm spraying it in the inside of the wig. And now you're going to see how natural it looks now after spraying that lace tint. Now you see, like, it blends more into my skin, and it just looks way more natural. And I'm like, yes, baby, yes. So right now I'm just gonna clip my hair back as so, just so I can start to glue this puppy down. I have a dark spot right there because I didn't pick up the right lace tint spray. It was darker. So right now I'm using my Eben spray. This is the black spray, and I'm just using that on my skin. Not on my skin, I'm using it on my hairline, and I try not to get in my hair, but even if you get in your hair a little bit, it's like kind of like hairspray, so it's not that bad. So I did 2 coats of that, and then actually, since it was kind of hot outside, I'm gonna first wipe away some of the spray and then put some of my lace glue by Eben as well. I like this lace glue. It just takes entirely too long to dry. But it's a good glue. Like, it holds my wigs down. I didn't kind of want to use lace glue, but since it was going to be hot and I needed this thing to stay on, I just wanted to. So now I'm using my blow dryer to make sure it's kind of clear, but it was taking too long. So I just added another layer to like the clear part. And as you can see, I'm saying 2 coats, like I'm not doing a voice over. And then I know the glue isn't dry, but y'all, I had to go to work. So now I'm just going to put my lace there and pat it in with scissors, which is probably not safe, but I don't think I could find a comb. And then just try to dry that glue some more. And I also use some of the red spray. I alternate between the red and the black one. They're both pretty good to me, as far as like holding it down. So it really doesn't matter to me. So right now I am taking my elastic band, and I am going to tie that puppy down. And then I'm going to tie that down, do my makeup, and come back. So yes, makeup is done. Now I'm going to take this off. So I did see that there was some glue, still there, but don't worry, I am going to fix this. But just make sure, if you can, make sure you let your glue dry clear, because then you'll have to kind of go through this, but I'm just impatient. So right now I'm cutting my lace into sections because it's easier to cut, and then boom. Now, heifers, I do not like putting the lace all around the perimeter of my head if I don't have to. I'm probably going to be working inside for the duration of my shift today, so I don't need it to be all around. It's not like the wind is going to be pushing once I'm inside the store, so I don't need it all the way around. Now, if you want it all the way around, you probably could, but I personally didn't. So now, as you can see, I put some powder on a perimeter that kiss powder, and now I'm just putting some bronzer just for it to blend in with my makeup. And then I'm also adding that same powder to the middle of my head just for a more natural look. But now that I see it, like, it's kind of orange, but who the piss cares? So yeah, I'm putting that all throughout my thing, and we are basically done. And this is how the wig is looking for the middle part. And just stay tuned for the side part. I'm going to fix it up better, but I still loved how it looked. And I loved, it just made me like a Barbie. And I'm just going to give you like kind of a close up. Like I could see the glue and stuff, of course. But trust me, I'm going to reapply this wig in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And there we go. And she's looking nice with the side part. Alrighty guys, so this is the wig. This is just a couple days later. Sorry guys, my mic was not on in that last video. But this is just the wig. First I had it in the middle part, but as you can see I changed it to a side part, which I'm really liking, by the way. I love how this looks. Sorry if my glasses are having like a fog thing, but I don't have my contacts in, so we're gonna do glasses. But this is just how the wig is looking. What I use to tie it down is, I love this stuff. This is the Forever Ultimate Lace Holding Glue, and this is just how it looks. And this is by Eben. I really like this stuff. Like, it has like a gel like texture, kind of tacky. And then I also alternate between these two. These both are really good. I'm just running out of both of them, so I use some of that, spray that, and then I just tie it down with like an elastic band. And this is just how it is looking, hunty. Let's get up close. It's giving natural. Okay, sorry you guys, my camera actually, or my cart was full, but as you can see it's giving natural tease, and I just love how it looks. This is just how it looks all together. And I already gave you the specs on the wig. I actually got this wig 30% off, so it's definitely giving, you know, natural tease. It blends into my hair really nice. And I just use like this Kiss makeup to really blend this into my hair, just like with a brush. And you don't really need a lot, and I didn't use too many baby hairs because I'm not good at baby hairs. But yeah, what I do like to do though, just to make your wigs like look less synthetic, maybe spray like a natural black spray. But what I like to do with this wig, I like to spray like this brown spray, and I like to spray it like throughout my hair. And since this is a spray, like it fades really quickly, but it gives it that natural feel, and it doesn't make it look so artificially black, you know. So I just spray it. This is a spray that I use, and then I just spray it all through my hair, as you can see. And it just makes it look really good, really good. See, you see the colors? Yeah, it doesn't last. I mean, it lasts all day, and then by the end of the day it's gone, but I really like it. So I'm really loving this wig. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. Bye.